Good morning, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are good at your home. Now, today we are going to learn the modal auxiliaries. Okay? Now, what is modal auxiliary? What is modals? A modal verb is a type of auxiliary verb that is used to indicate the modality, that is likelihood, ability, permission, possibility and suggestion. ठीक है, ये सब चीज़ जो है वो मॉडल ऑक्सिलरीज में आती है. मॉडल्स यानी कैन, कुड, मे, माइट, शैल, शुड, विल, वुड, मस्ट, ओट. ठीक है. देन अब कैन के क्या फंक्शंस हैं? एबिलिटी, रिक्वेस्ट, परमिशन, पॉसिबिलिटी, प्रोहिबिशन. ठीक है, यानी कैन हम कहाँ कहाँ यूज़ कर सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, I can complete this work. Can I use your pen? You can use my pen. This can be done in a few hours. Possibility. You cannot play here. Prohibition means restriction. फिर could. Could हम ability के लिए, polite request के लिए, possibility, advice, permission and desire यानी ये functions होती है तब we will use the word could. Modal could. I could do this if I were not blind. अगर मैं अंधा नहीं होता तो मैं ये करता. Could you lend me your pen? It can be done if rain did not interrupt. Possibility. You can consult a specialist. Advice. Could I go to the movie? That permission. And I wish I could become a scientist. Okay? Can and could. Could is the past tense of can. Now may, might. Same here. May का functions है permission, possibility, prayer and wish. May I come in, sir? It may be rain today. May God bless you. May you live long. Might, spectralism, sedition, permission, reproach and order. ये जो उसके सारे functions हैं. He might have done if he had a chance. You might travel by air then by road. या तो sedition. May I say a few words? Permission. You might tell the truth. Compulsory. You might leave the room now. Ordered. Same way here shall and should. Should is the past tense of shall. Shall हम फ्यूचर के लिए यूज़ करते हैं, कंपल्सेशन के लिए यूज़ करते हैं, डिटर्मिनेशन, ऑर्डर, एश्योरेंस, कमांड, डिज़ायर एंड परमिशन. दिस ऑल आर द फंक्शंस व्हेन वी विल यूज़ द मॉडल शैल. I shall visit your place tomorrow. You shall do it now. The army shall fight to the last. You shall not make a noise here. The cadets shall fall in at 6 p.m. Shall I pick up on the way? Shall I pick up on the way? यानी डिज़ायर भी है और इच्छा भी. डिज़ायर यानी इच्छा और कमांड भी है, दोनों से. परमिशन. Shall we visit the zoo? क्या हम zoo visit कर सकते हैं? Should. What is the functions of should? Advice, possibility, request, permission and duty. We should listen to our elders. Advice. Possibility. He should be in the house now. Request. Should you like to come with me? Permission. Should I wake up at dawn? And duty. Students should prepare their lessons. Should यानी कंपलसरी चीज़ के लिए should हम यूज़ करते हैं. Now will and would. Would is past tense. Will हम कहाँ यूज़ करते हैं? Future, habit, request, order, promise, warning, determination, possibility. They will leave tomorrow. She will sit up the whole night. Will you please show me the way? Will you keep quiet? I will teach you the guitar. I will teach you a lesson. I will not surrender. You will miss the train. Now desire, determination, invitation, habit, request and wish. ये सब functions के लिए we will use the modal would. I would like to have a cup of tea. Desire, इच्छा है. Nobody would agree with me. Determination. Invitation. Would you like a cup of tea? Habit. My father would bath in pond. Request. Would you help me with this work? Wish. I wish they would up chasing me. Now the same way must and ought to. Must हम certainly, inquire, promise, determination, definite, obligation, prohibition. Certainty. You must come before sunset. Must you go now? I will be loyal to my country. Promise. Determination. I must pay up my debt. Definite. Every man must die. The compulsory. Definite and compulsory. Obligation. Kush must finish his task. Duty. Obligation means duty. Prohibition. You must not smoke. Ought to. Yani duty or possibility. You ought to help the poor. You ought to have reached the airport by now. Okay. And ought to indicates that it is the right thing to do. ought किसके लिए यूज़ करते हैं? जो सही चीज़ है उसके लिए. Okay students, bye bye.